Welcome back to the pink envelope. I have the VineOh Fall 2021 box. VineOh is the perfect box for you if you like the idea of having a lifestyle subscription but couldn't fathom having it without wine. This box was made for you. I first discovered VineOh years ago. I want to say like in 2016. They've been around for a while. I'll dig it out, and if I can find it, I'll loop that first video up here. You also can see my old house and how hilarious my old videos used to be. The good old days of just grabbing a box and filming it, I think at my dining room table. It was crazy. Anyhow, VineOh is a quarterly subscription at $59.99. I'm gonna pop my coupon code right here for you guys to check out. I'm confirming with them right now what this is gonna offer. So I'll update it below because they do kind of tweak those. But if you want to sign up, grab that coupon and grab the URL below and sign up. This is going to spoil, so spoiler alert, if you don't want to know what's coming in your fall box, you're going to want to X out now. VineOh's quarterly subscription has 5 to 6 full-size bottles. It does have bottles, but it has 5 to 6 full-size items in every single box, has over $160 in value in every box, and 2 bottles of wine in every box. This particular box, I have been told, has $172 worth of value in it. I have not looked at it. I do not know what is in here at all. I haven't even seen a single sneak peek. I even avoided any emails coming in. This is when we need to have the sound come out of the box. We got a Merlot. Ooh, this is a new label. And I have more to tell you about this. We need to loop back and talk about this. This says Wicked Bliss Syrah. So I normally get 2 bottles of wine in my box. I've had this Tynes, I guess is how you say this brand of this label right here, before. 2019 Merlot. I bet that's great. I remember the last bottle being great. Wicked Bliss is new. It's a 2018 Syrah. Very, very excited to try this guy. Love trying new labels. And in the past, my coupon code has been, use the coupon code here, get a free extra 3rd bottle of wine in every box for the lifetime of your subscription. And I wasn't sure if that is still the case. I am going to confirm it, and I'll put a little pop-up here. But I got a 3rd bottle of wine in here, so I am guessing that offer still stands. I got New Crush Chardonnay 2019. New Crush is another label that I get often in this box. That is great. If I pay $59.99 and I get 5 to 6 full-size items in here and 3 bottles of wine, that's a bang-up deal on the value. Great, great value. Okay, so this box is supposed to have 172 in value. Let's see what we got. Ugh. Okay, this is what I see on top. I always grab straight for this guy. This guy has all the information on the items inside the box here, as well as the breakout of each individual item in the box. Who it's from, who it's by, more information about it. Of course, I'm not looking because I want to be surprised, but it also talks about the VineOh custom wines, which is we see 3 of the labels here. We'll come back to these in a bit. First item on top is Athena Ritzy Cosmetics. It's a big palette. Ooh, okay. Pretty colors. This is an eyeshadow collection, I'm guessing. Let's see. I'm not a real big makeup person, so sometimes I must admit, I don't know if they're blushes or eyeshadows or bronzers or, this looks like an eyeshadow to me. There is not a card for this in here. Say what? How funny. So this palette is in there. It has 9 shades. It is an eyeshadow palette of pinks. I am a redhead, so I have to tread very carefully with these colors. Sometimes they're not the most complimentary. They're great accent colors. I tie them in with deeper purples and blues. To be honest, I may even save this up and give this to my little sister, who these colors would look fabulous on. I'm in fall mode, so I'm already thinking about really great Christmas gifts for family and friends, and this might be a great match for her. Next is by Jules Smith. The bag says designed with love in Venice, California. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it like totally matches the type of jewelry I wear. Get this tag off so that I can show you guys. It is 2 bracelets. They are so cute. It says Jules Smith Cosmetic Cuff Set, $58. It's 2 1/4 inches in diameter and they are nickel free. So can you stretch? Yeah, they kind of stretch to expand. I'm super intrigued. I have a teeny tiny wrist, so it's very hard for me to find bracelets because half the time they're too big and they slide off. These fit me like a charm. You can see here there is a little bit of space, like they're not tight by no means. And so as a cuff, by terms of a cuff, they fit me a little loose. But they are so cute, so delicate, so pretty. I absolutely love them. Now, if you have a large wrist, like I self-define as a really skinny wrist, I don't know if they're going to fit you. Let me see how much stretch they have. Yeah, they have some stretch to them. I mean, I absolutely love them. They look gorgeous. Gorgeous in my bracelet stacks right here. Such a good look. What is this? Sweet Chaos Drizzled Popcorn in Vanilla Chai. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Drizzled with sweet white frosting, gluten-free, made with sugarcane, no high fructose corn syrup. I can eat this. That is very exciting. Okay, the retail value of this Sweet Chaos popcorn is $4. $4 for the 5.5 ounce of popcorn. I feel like that is a fair value. And then we have the Carly Rae Studios. I enjoy long romantic walks down the wine aisle. Preach, sister. And it is a reusable bag. I joke a lot that I don't talk about, show, review, grocery delivery, or even meal plans like Freshly and stuff very often on my channel. Because as a mom, like that is my getaway. Like getting to go to the grocery store and stroll around is like a time of peace and relaxation for me. Long walks down the wine aisle is one of my favorite things. And I bet I even have a video. If I can find it, I'll plug it in. Where we're at the store with my kids and I start to go towards the wine aisle and they're like, no! Because I zoom through the grocery store usually with them and then I walk slowly down the wine aisle. Retail value for the tote bag is $18. So there's that guy. With kids, I use these all the time. I'm having to send stuff to the school. I'm sending them to the friend's house. I'm sending food to neighbors, and those bags are great to have around. Next up is Refresh Sweet Vanilla Dry Shampoo. I mean, it's pulled back now, but I cannot use dry shampoos on my hair. They do not get along. But for you guys who love dry shampoo, this would be perfect for you. It's a full-size bottle, retail value $9. What I would like to know from you guys who regularly use dry shampoo, would you want it to smell like sweet vanilla? Is that a good thing? I would think you would want your dry shampoo to not have a scent. But once again, I don't use it, so I don't know. Oh, it's got like a protective, wow. Okay. Yeah. It smells like baby powder sweet vanilla. Like it's not like men's bathroom plug-in sweet vanilla. It doesn't smell like that. It has like a lighter baby or powder scent to it. How interesting. It's free of aluminums, free of parabens, free of sulfates, and free of talc, which is great. Those are all things you do not need in your hair anyways. Okay, you guys look back and tell me about this. Dry shampoo, how interesting. And then we have, what is this guy? Oh my gosh, this is super soft. Willow Collective, 100% acrylic. What? Well, this is cute. This is so fall Christmassy. Look at this thing. How cute. Willow Collective blanket scarf, retail value $35. So there we go, a blanket scarf. And the colors are kind of a mix of Christmas and fall. I absolutely love that streak of yellow in there. That is awesome to me. It's extremely soft. I'll be honest, it's full of static because I just pulled it out of that plastic bag. Okay, so 1, 2, the bracelets are 3, The bag is $4. The scarf is $5. And then this is not on there, but this is a 6th item. I'm very intrigued. So we can say for sure, for your $59.99, you get these 5 items and these wines. And then I'm thinking this is a bonus for using my coupon. Not a bad deal. Earlier, I mentioned there's something we need to loop back and chat about. That would be this label. I did, when playing on their website today, notice that they launched a new monthly wine club, which I'm excited about. I always like finding new wine clubs, but that also means that they've got a wine club backing. I'm hoping to see more diversity in my labels for the actual box, because I kind of see New Crush, this brand, and one other on repeat. So I'd love to see some new labels pop up. With the wine club, it's monthly at $59.99, free shipping, and you get 4 bottles. Makes it about $14.99 a bottle. Or you can do 6 bottles at $89.99, also $14.99 a bottle. Go down and grab the link below if you want to check that out. Just like with the VineOh subscription, with the wine subscription, you choose red, white, mix, or sweet. That's the 4 options you get to choose from. They also have an online shop with the wines in it, plus gifts that anyone can shop. You do not have to be a VineOh member. Anybody can shop that online shop, which is kind of cool. And they do have a refer a friend. So if you sign up for VineOh and you want to refer a friend, you get points for doing so, for purchasing more items in your VineOh box, which is also cool because you can add on to your box, which I've never done. I should do that. That would be a lot of fun. Why have I never added onto my VineOh box? Okay, guys. VineOh For Me Fall Box 2021. Very cute. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. I just got a shipment of wine, so I know that I'll be having an amazing day. If you want to see more subscription boxes popping up, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the little bell, and give this video a like and a comment. I would love to hear some feedback on these different products if you've interacted with any of these. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.